The Yiddishkayt initiative is something that should have been done a long time ago, because the Yiddishkayt has been diminishing. People are forgetting about Yiddishkayt. They're forgetting about the Jewish tradition and the Jewish language and all of the history that has to do with Yiddishkayt. And this new revolution, in a sense, this new forward-thinking program is something that is going to perpetuate the Yiddishkayt values, all that we hold sacred for thousands of years. It's only as we support this important program can we be assured that Yiddishkayt will never disappear. As the Jewish people will never disappear, Yiddishkayt will also never disappear.